basketball. Many of my friends who love basketball, who are interested in basketball, they're asking me, Prakash, teach me some rules, come on. And I told them that they're easy. I thought of making a video on that. It's really easy to play basketball. Alright, so let's play.
It's called double. It's again a fall.
In the game, okay, you'll be in some team. In the game, the situation will come when you get the ball. Suppose, someone passed me, I got the ball. Now I have three options, okay? Either I can simply shoot from here, I can give pass to another fellow, or I can dribble the ball and drive the ball to the rim. So, what you can do when you get the ball, okay? Passing, you can do it. Shooting, you can do it. Alright? So, now the things comes with dribbling, okay? The rules for dribbling. So basketball. Now, many of my friends who love basketball, who are interested in basketball, they're asking me, Prakash, teach me some rules, come on. And I told them that they're easy.
Stop.
I thought of making a video on that, It's really easy
Stop
to play
and bye.
basketball.